Hello, here we are on your dashboard again. Um, I found a really easy way to make for you to like pin a post to the top. So I will show you now, and I've already done it for the what is a set and return. Um, you may note it says sticky right there. That is the system we're going to use to make it appear at the top of the list. So in any new post or an old post, you can go into edit or add new. Write it out just like you have been. You create your post, and the setting we're going to look for is um, over here on the right side. There's the post and block options. On post, status and visibility, and you're just going to click this toggle box right here. Stick to the top of the blog. That's going to list it at the top of your post section. So it's actually even easier than I realized, or this system is better than the one I had in mind originally. So to make it an existing post sticky, you would just click that and then update. You can do that with new posts going forward. And yeah, that's how you do it.